Okay, we getting ready to get started. Okay, this is let's see, cause number 332434. Hold on a minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is cause number 332434, case of style of state of Texas versus Luke Alexander Paul. We have Mr. Luke Alexander Paul, who's appearing via Zoom. Mr. Paul, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Paul, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Paul, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Paul?
I'm doing all right. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Paul, I have before me, well, Mr. Paul, you are represented in your case by your attorney, Dustin Galmore. Attorney Galmore, how are you doing?
I'm great, Judge. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. Mr. Galmore, do you waive a record in Mr. Paul's case?
We do, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Paul, I have before me a document that is titled information. This information alleges that on or about February 19 of 2022, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the class A misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated with an alcohol concentration level of 0.15 or more. Mr. Paul, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, Mr. Paul, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Now, Mr. Paul, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And Mr. Paul, are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, sir.
Paul. Mr. Paul, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. On this document, actually, there's a state, are you waiving the enhancement paragraph? In this case?
Your Honor, I don't.
I see a box check, the box check DWI first class B misdemeanor.
That should be a Class A, Judge.
Okay, let me do this here. Let's do Mr. Galmore, that document was sent back to you. You could go back on that document and you can make the correction and you can go over it with your client. And then once you finish, we can get started. We can restart. It should be back on the, it should be back where you can pull it up.